First of all, good morning, classmates. Good morning to our teachers.
Ma'am, English.
Our communication.
Nahirapat ng tabi ako, ministro.
Uy, bawal mo po. Speech yan.
Okay. Good morning, classmates.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to our teacher in oral communication, Ma'am Arna. I'm here in front of you because I want to say thank you to our teachers and especially to you, Ma'am Arna. I would like to say thank you for teaching us and to all our students with support and guidance. We all know that sometimes we are not really demanding and loud, but you still did not give up responsibility as a good teacher. We are grateful for the reason that you have been strong and done everything for our education that will be good for all us and our dreams. You have been responsible and loving. We know that you have your own problems that seem like you need to give us. But Mom, we all know and all of this, we will treat you like a real mother. Thank you very much, Mom, and to all teachers, like to teach us, even though we are all in the race of families of our own. You hold our skills, you sacrifice and made us sing, but you never asked for anything in return because you wanted was to benefit our all students. That's okay, Ma'am Arna, and everyone, like you all teachers. We will never forget you. We will keep your memories so that we can use your teachings in achieving our dreams. And see you again, Ma'am Arna. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we love you so much.